Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your money from Freecash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser on your computer and go to the Freecash website. Log in using your email, Google, or any method you use to sign up. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your balance amount there. Click on it. Now you will be taken to the withdraw page. On this page, you will see a different withdrawal options. Some common options include PayPal, crypto like Coin or Litecoin, gift card, and other payment methods. Choose the one you prefer. For example, let's say you choose PayPal. Click on PayPal, then enter your PayPal email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct or may not receive your money. Next, check the minimum withdrawal amount. Freecash usually allows small withdrawals, but it depends on the payment method you choose. After that, click on the withdraw or redeem button. If Freecash asks you to verify your account, complete the verification. This may include email verification or a quick security check. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be proceed. Some payments are instant while others may take a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn money from Freecash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.